Philippine Air Force. Followed by the SM Security Force inside MOA Complex, led by Troop Commander S.O. Constancio, his staff, S.O. De La Cruz, S.O. Tadena, S.O. Gaho, S.O. Domingo, S.O. Mula, followed by the Alpha Company Commander S.O. Agan, his staff, S.G. Aragones, S.G. Verdejo, First Platoon Leader S.G. Oray, Second Platoon Leader S.J. Villa, approaching is the Bravo Company Commander S.O. Quiñones, his staff S.G. Ficardal, S.G. Baculpo, First Platoon Leader L.G. Esposa, Second Platoon Leader S.O. Ilyazar, ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the colors.
Approaching is the Charlie Company Commander, led by S.O. Abella, his staff, S.G. Descartin, S.G. Montero, First Platoon Leader, S.G. Tagumpama,